All right, what's up, y'all? It's 2:02, and can you see I just got in my car? Because I just got my car back. I got here at 9 o'clock, y'all. I'm going to be nice, and let's just say 9:30. Okay, they probably took it by 9:30. I got here at 9 o'clock. 9:15 for real. Either way, it is now 12:57, 1 o'clock, and I just got my car back. Boy, car maintenance is a mother, but you got to do it because you want to keep your car, you want to keep your car maintenance up. Everybody should want to do that. So you don't got to worry about no super crazy things like your engine busting because you never got an oil change. Weird stuff like that. So, hold on, y'all. Here we go. And every service I get here comes with a complimentary car wash. Also, keep some Lysol wipes or some type of wipes in your car. But I'm glad I got a little complimentary wash and vacuum. But nah, so I've been here, like I said, since like 9:30 or whatever. Boy, like I said, keep that maintenance up because I ain't gonna lie. I was supposed to get my brakes done in like June or something. And it's like October now, almost November. And I'm just now getting my brakes done. But I needed them bad because you could hear them. They was past squeaking. They was grinding and some more. You would have thought it was an R. Kelly party. It's like, nah. But yeah, so either way, boy, the prices for the crap just be OC. Listen to this, y'all. And I need to eat because all I had was a frappe. I don't even feel that good for real. I had some brake pads, one set of brake pads, $99. Then I had to get 2 rotors. Those was $150 each, y'all. I mean, yeah, $150 each, y'all. That was $399 already. That was already $400. Long story short, keep your carb. It's a part of it. My stomach now hurts. I gotta use the bathroom. I want to take a shower. I'm hungry. I don't feel good. I was feeling good all the way up until I paid that $500 like shit. Or however much I just paid. Because I paid $5 for real, y'all. But it's okay, because I know people love to be like, oh, you would have came out cheaper if you would have went to some back alley guy. Or you could have came out cheaper if you would have just bought it yourself. I already looked it up. The whole brake kit was like damn near full something by itself. I would have did that. If I would have went cheaper and like tried to buy everything separately and not in the kit, I still would have been paying a lot because I'm not about to buy the cheapest rotors, the cheapest brakes. Nobody got time to be buying the cheapest stuff and they go bad fast or it ain't right. Pay what you weigh for real. You know what I'm saying? You want it right, pay right. You know what I'm saying? Get the good stuff. Don't get no cheap shit that's going to be bad and then you buying it again or whatever. But yeah, y'all. I'm just glad they vacuumed this joint out. I just wiped this joint down. Shout out to Boozy. Wipe me down. Wipe off my little button pads and shit too. But yeah, y'all. I just wanted to get on here and tell y'all that. Give y'all some content. I do got some more content coming out. I just wanted to, yeah. Trash. Straighten this up. But yeah, that's all I wanted to do is get on here and tell y'all what I was just, doing or whatever. I got some things to do today. I want to go to the Browns market. I want to go to the international market. I still might do that even though I don't feel that good, but I got to ride past it. Why ride twice? Go past the first time and then the next time. Now, let's see if my car start up right, y'all, because sometimes when I start it up, I also got a leak. Some type of axle leak or something like that. I got to get that fixed, and that's like about $1,200 if they do it here. So I'm going to really take that to the other place where I got the other thing that was causing my Jeep for my engine light to come on. So I'm going to take that there and pay less than $1,200, at least half. But let's turn this joint on, see how it's sounding. Do-do-do. Just like how it should. Let me press on my gas. It sound better, but let's see if it feel better too. Because that's my whole thing, because I'm telling you, when I tell y'all my brakes was bumping and grinding, you trying to stop, you like, boom, 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 boom. You know how embarrassing that is? Somebody got my car in June and we was riding around at the end of June and I was like, damn, this is so embarrassing. I need my brakes now. I'm so sorry. Even though nobody really be tripping, but it's just like, you know what I'm saying? You might as well crack your back, pop your back. You pop locking and dropping it in my car. So I'm going to try to start this joint up. It's already started up. I'm going to try to drive over. Oh, yes, I'm glad I got some water. Always keep some water, y'all. Stay hydrated for real. It don't feel like a peppermint patty, y'all. Let's see how this don't stop though. Yes, that's way better. Not bad, y'all. I knew that was gonna happen. I try to do it again. This don't drive better. Cause I think when your brakes not done, let me see if I hear that little sound that I was hearing. Nope, so that was my brakes making that little rattle sound. Here. I don't know. I know y'all can't see me, but I'm testing these brakes out. Let's come to the stop sign. We'll be speeding a little bit. Oh, yes. That's so much better, y'all. I feel so good. I'm about to end this video because I'm about to ride to the international market and all that, and to Brown's Market. I think Brown's Market is before the international market, so I go there first. But either way, my brakes is done. I got my oil changed like a month ago. We riding good. We riding clean. We not riding dirty, okay? Shout out to everybody. Like, comment, subscribe, share. I'm gone. I'm gonna try these brakes again though since we're right here. Speed up a little bit. Yep, that don't just stop. It's smooth. Oh yes, no more tumbling. Alright, y'all, I'm gone for real.